For those who has Eurail Pass and want to travel within Austria or from and to Austria, so this is the website to use, okay, which is oebb.at, Oscar Echo Beta Beta dot Apple Tango, or should I say Alpha Tango. Anyway, so when you click that, they will bring you to their language. So go here and change it into EN, which is English. Then once they are in English, which is coming really quick, all right, then you fill up all this information first, okay? And here you pick up the date. Okay, here I wrote down, a random date. If you try to book earlier than 3 months, they won't allow you to. So here I just randomly put January 8, and from Vienna to Budapest, they only understand Vienna as Vienna, so you need to understand, what is Vienna in their language. And then click here, okay, book ticket, and then you pretending that you are purchasing the ticket. Here they show me all the choices of the ticket, and then how many connection. For example, this one is one connection, how many hours from where to where, and then the price of the ticket here is 40 euro. So pick which one you want, and after you pick up which one you want, here is a little thing under them. It said more service. When you click there, it said ticket already exists. See, you don't want the ticket, you just want to make a reservation only. If you click there, right away from 40 euros, you only pay the reservation only, which is 3 euro. Can you see that, guys? 3 euro only, okay? Because the activation only. And then on the bottom here, you can add it some if you want. This is only reservation for 3 euros. But if, let's say, you want it first class, my ticket is first class ticket, so I would click first class, and they add 0 euros. You don't have to pay anything. And sometimes they offer you, if this is a night train, sometimes they offer you the bed or the couchette. They will explain to you what is bed means, how many person in there, how much is that. So here, only 3 euros to make reservation from Budapest to Vienna. Now, this website honestly makes me frustrated, because I don't know why I cannot make the longer distance destination. I tried to make the reservation from Vienna to Florence, for example, but they won't allow me to. I know it's about 50 to 80 euros for the cheapest beds, or maybe some of them is even 20 euros for the cheapest bed, 6 person in a room. But they won't allow me to do that. They don't have the same step that I have in here. So if you guys know how to do this, contact me and tell me how. Okay, I try and I'm kind of despairing here. So again, this is for making a reservation only if you already have a Eurail Pass or a Reservation Pass card. Okay, a Reservation Plus card. I think they call them Reservation Plus card over there. And even the button here is a word. The button here, a little button here say change, and if you click there, it's show you like this one, and one adult with no discount, and I click add discount here, and I try to find the discount card. I put Reservation Plus, and then they will show me, see that Reservation Plus card. So when I add them, okay, and say done, my discount said Reservation Plus card. And then for some reason they still do not want to give me the discount. Well, this one is Budapest to Vienna, but I'll show you from Vienna to Florence. Wait a second. So here I punch in from Budapest to Firenze, and all the prices came out. I picked this one, and they come out with all the lists. So they told me to pick which one. I picked this one, about 88 euros, and it's a more surface here. But for some reason, when I click on here, there's nothing to allow me to just make reservation only because I already have a ticket, you know. And here on the bottom it says night train. It's a night train. This is my seat reservation, which is I don't have to pay. If I pay that $88, you know, or here I can add a sleeping bed, a couchette, which is €10 per person, or I can add a sleeper cabin if I want, which is €50 I mean per person. But for some reason I don't know how to make reservation only from this longer journey from Budapest to Firenze, for example. If you guys know, contact me on comment below. I would really appreciate it because I'm struggling the whole how many days, I don't know, try to figure it out. Okay guys, and because this is also a night train, I will try to do this on, because this is by night jet. Okay, I will try with night jet. Let me see what will happen. So I forgot to show you guys this. When I try again from Vienna to Florence, they come out with two choices here, ticket, and this one is seat only, no ticket. But when I click in there, then what they show me is all these choices, but ticket not available, you know. All is not available. I cannot make reservation. I know you can do a lot of this with Eurail.com, Eurail.com, or I think it's called raileurope.com also. But they charge about $7 per train. So I try to do it for free. You know, I don't want to pay this reservation. I want to do it ahead of time. In that way, when I arrive in Europe, I only have that one day to make that train reservation. I will miss my train. I don't want that either. So another one that is connecting to them, it's called nightjet.com, and this one /en, and that way it will be all in English. Okay, /en. If you put nightjet.com and it's not in English, you just find out how to do it in English. So I will punch the information. Wait a second guys. So when I punch from Vienna to Florence using nightjet.com /en, they show me the two choices of connection that they found. That's the one I want, which is NJ1237. And then they show me how much is it for this type of chair, for a simple bed, 6 person and 4 person, and blah blah blah. You can read them all in English. Let me see if they are going to show me or not. Now here they said passenger ticket. Okay, let's see. And then if I click continue, then actually on nightjet.com they show me the possibility, which is, let's say, pretending I want this one, and then they show me the same website with oebb.at, but then there is no seat reservation only either. So I don't know guys, I might not even download this video because this is a failure video. Okay, I don't even know why it's so hard to use to reserve the ticket at nightjet.com or oebb.at. Okay guys, I might not even upload this video. If you guys know the answer, if I end up uploading it, please be kind to me and teach me how to use this website. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.